Hello kids, how are you all? Welcome back to your EVS class. Okay, today we are going to study about living things and non-living things. Living things and non-living things. Okay, living things, things that grow are called living things. Repeat, things that grow are called living things. Okay, living things breathe, they need air. Living things eat and drink, they need food and water. Living things grow, they change size. Living things reproduce, they have young ones. Okay, for example, boy, girl, eagle, tree, rose plant, okay, and cat, the young one, kitten. Okay. And my dear children, take your textbook, page number 59. Page number 59. Match what living things can do with the picture. Okay. Okay. First one is breathe. Where is the picture? Yes, this one. Breathe. Match it. Okay. And next one, eat and drink. Eat and drink. Living things. Eat and drink. And the next one, grow. Grow, which one? Yes, this. Okay, and the next one is reproduce. Okay, understood? Okay, dears. And next is non-living things. Non-living things means that things that do not grow are called non-living things. Things that do not grow are called non-living things. Non-living things do not need food and water. They do not need food and water. They do not need air. They do not grow or change. They do not reproduce. Okay. For example, ball, chair, book, and bicycle. Okay. And in your textbook, page number 61. Okay, classify the naming words given in the boxes into 3: people, animals, and things. Okay, you can see some words. The first one is boy. Boy is people or animal? Yes, people. So you should write here boy. B-O-Y, boy. Okay, and second one, rat. Rat is animal. Here you write R-A-T, rat. And third one, pencil. Pencil is a non-living thing. Pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Okay. And next, fourth one, book. Book is non-living thing. So write here B-O-O-K, book. Okay. And next is girl. Girl is people. G-I-R-L, girl. Okay, and the next one, lion. Lion is animal. So write here L-I-O-N, lion. Okay, and next is write L for living things and N for non-living things. Okay, the first one is house. House is living thing or not living thing? Yes, non-living thing. So you should write here N. Okay. And next one is flower. Flower is living thing. So you should write here L. Okay. And this one is girl. Girl is living thing. So write here L. And this is kite. Kite is non-living thing. So you should write here N. And next is honey bee. Honey bee, living thing. Okay. And next is tree. Tree is living thing. Right here L. And next one is cycle, that is non-living thing, N. And ball, yes, non-living thing. And next is dog. Dog is living thing. So write here L. Okay. And my dear children, this is your notebook practice. The first page you write the heading living things. Living things. And write the sentence, things that grow are called living things. Say it loudly, things that grow are called living things. And next is living things need air, food and water. Living things need air, food and water. And next is they have young ones. They have young ones. Example, plant, tree, man, cow, cat. Okay. And the next page you should write non-living things. This is heading. Okay. And things that do not grow are called non-living things. Things that do not grow are called non-living things. Non-living things do not need air, food and water. Okay. They do not reproduce. For example, ball, car, table, chair. Okay. Okay. And today's class is over. See you next time. Bye-bye.